This is a summary of the YouTube statistics of videos by the Vlogbrothers, Hank and John Green. The raw data was kindly provided by kitchensink108.tumblr.com. Let's start with the median view count for each brother. This means that 50% of Hank's videos have more than 256,000 views, and the other half of his videos have less than 256,000 views. So John's videos tend to get more views, but still less than reunion videos. You can also look at the means and the standard deviations, but there are some influential outliers in the data that impede the interpretation of these numbers. This is a scatter plot showing the view count changes across time. I found this much more informative. On the X scale we have the date, the time, and on the Y scale we have the number of views per video, which is actually a log scale. Each gray point represents one particular Vlogbrother video. A solid line here is a median band, which again indicates how many views a video needs at a given date to have less views than half of the other videos made around this date. When I add the linear trend, actually it's a log linear trend, it becomes clear that newer videos tend to get more views. That means popularity increases. And this is the same plot with some additional Nerdfighter related dates. The movie version of The Fault in Our Stars lead to fewer views? I don't think so. This is mostly speculation anyway. There could be many reasons why Nerdfighters might be watching fewer videos these days. Personally, I think that the more recent videos just haven't accumulated as many views from the new Nerdfighters who go through old videos and also from random strangers. Here is another version of this plot, this time with separate lines for John and Hank. My interpretation would be that the view counts of Hank and John didn't really develop differently across time. So far, so good. Now what about actual appreciation? When I look at the median values for likes per view, Hank's videos are liked by 2.3% of viewers, John's videos are liked by 2.2% of viewers, and reunion videos are liked by 3.3%. Nerdfighters seem to like reunion videos. Here's the longitudinal perspective, again a scatter plot with all the videos, again no clear difference between Hank's videos and John's videos. And you might have noticed I didn't plot the reunion videos because there are only very few of them. Being liked is one thing, but how about the likes per dislike ratio? Here are the median values. Hank's videos tend to get 78 likes per dislike, John's videos tend to get 126 likes for each dislike, and reunion videos trumps them both with a median of 177 likes per dislike. Here's the longitudinal perspective. There were even more likes than dislikes during the past few years. This development occurred especially for John's videos. Enough with the appreciation, how about comments? An eternal source of love, hate, fun and chaos they are. The overall tendency, that is the median, is about 0.5% of viewers writing a comment, or a comment is written for about 5 in 1,000 views. No difference between the brothers here. Let's look at the longitudinal perspective of comments per view. The number of comments per view has declined over the past 2 years, possibly due to the integration of Google Plus and YouTube or the new sorting algorithm for the comments. For what it's worth, here's the same plot without the 10 videos with the highest comments per view ratio. But yeah. Finally, here's a quick overview of specific types of outliers. The videos that elicit a lot of comments are mostly about the project for awesome. The videos with the highest view count all deal with animals, the viral videos. The last couple of plots brings us back to the length of the videos. Here are the titles of the shorter videos. Not much to say here. And it seems as if Hank keeps making slightly longer videos than John. That's all, the FTBA, and PS, down in the doobly-doo, you find a link to a blog post with the graphs and stata do file to run the analysis, and so on. Thanks for watching, see you, bye.